Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today's video is very much important to me because इस वीडियो में बहुत सारे सीक्रेट्स आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ रिलेटेड टू ह्यूमन एनाटॉमिकल फेस इन अ फ्रंट पोजीशन कि हम कैसे उसे सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में बनाएं। कुछ दिन पहले किसी ने मुझसे पूछा था कि हम क्या आप इस पे वीडियो बना सकते हैं, तो ये उन लोगों के लिए है जिनको फेस बनाने में प्रॉब्लम होती है। तो ये बहुत ही सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म है फेस एनाटॉमी बनाने का। सो वॉच टिल द एंड एंड लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट द बेल आइकन। और आपने अगर बेल आइकन नहीं प्रेस कर रखा है तो आपसे मैं बस यही रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि प्लीज़ आप पहले प्रेस करें, क्योंकि आपको मेरी नोटिफिकेशंस नहीं मिलेंगी अगर मैं कोई भी वीडियो आगे अपलोड करती हूँ तो। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So here I am taking a pencil and a pencil holder in which I am gonna insert this a little pencil of mine, and you can also purchase it from Amazon. I'll provide you the link below. So I am giving you steps to make a front face. Step 1, simply draw a circular circle. Second step, you have to draw that circle and divide it into 4 parts in horizontal and vertical line. Third step, you have to make a circle again and divide it into 4. The middle line is the brows line, and I am dividing the half line into 2 parts. That is, the first line of our circle is hairline. The fourth line is nose line. And now I am connecting the lines and I form the shape of a square. And as you can see, the nose and brows line, I am taking that measurement and I am drawing the same measurement of that line below the nose line, which is called our chin line. So middle part of that line is our mouth. And after forming a square, you can see the lines which I have marked here. Now our fourth step, which is the final step, I'm showing you again by making a circle, dividing it into 2 parts, vertical and horizontal, and the middle line I'm dividing into 4 parts. That is, you can see here, first line which is called the hair line, third line which is called the brow line, fourth line which is called the nose line. The brows and nose line are to be measured and drawn at the same level. You can also measure it with your finger. So now the chin line is also formed. Now a square is formed, as you can see here. Now on the brows line, I am drawing the eyebrows. I am extending the chin line, jaw line. The eyes line, which is I have drawn a minor part. I am forming a nose in the middle of that. The minor line, which is our eye line, I am drawing the eyes there. So after making one eye, you can start with the other. The mouth line. Now I am connecting the lip line with the help of our lens. There is a secret in this. Let me tell you that the middle of our lens is the gap between our lips, of the corner of the lips. So the lips may come in between our lenses gap. So you can measure that. Now I am connecting the ears, which should be start from our brows, middle of the brows and eyes. I'm starting it, and as you can see, I'm ending on the nose line. So it starts from in between from eyes and brows line and ends on the nose line. And I'm forming a curvy line of hairline, as you can see here. You can practice it by performing step by step, so it will be more easier for you. And I'm now drawing the neck. So this is our face anatomical front pose structure, and I'm now showing with pen so that it is clearly visible to you. I'm roughly doing the lines, the hairs, the eyes, the eyebrows, the shading, minor shading in the eyes. I'm not doing the detailing part because this video can be more longer if I do that. So the cheeks, and it is almost done.
So I really hope this video was helpful to you, और इन फर्दर वीडियोस मैं आपके साथ बहुत सारी ऐसी ही वीडियोस शेयर करने वाली हूँ जहाँ पर आप बहुत ही सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में साइड फेस और सेमी साइड फेस सीख सकते हैं, और इजी लगेगा आपको ये मेथड बहुत ही. सो हर सैटरडे मैं आप वीडियो अपलोड करूँगी. एंड टिल देन बाय बाय. सो आप गए नहीं अब तक, जाओ और नेक्स्ट सैटरडे फिर से आओ. बाय बाय.
So please share this video if you liked it. Bye bye.